natin ang slice ng cake. Picture mo muna. Ilagay lang mo muna sa ano. Kanyari hinihiwan. Tapos picture, tingin po. Tingin po kayo dito. Ayan. And slice your cake. Go. So our bride and groom, I'm requesting you guys to please get a perfect slice. Ayan, para ganun din daw po kami blessing sa inyong journey. And this slicing, actually this is the first task of our new couple as husband and wife. And after that, you may now proceed up the center stage to show your love and support for each other.
In the world can make me feel like this. Maybe I don't ever plan to find out.
For our next slicing ceremonies, I would like to request our groom, si groom po muna. Since ikaw magiging provider ng inyong bubuing pamilya, so can you show us kung gaano kalaki ang pagmamahal mo sa iyong bride? In 1, 2, 3, go!
I'll say, will you marry me? I swear that I will mean it. I say, will.
Palakpakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen, our bride. Kayo naman, sa ating bride, ipakita mo na sa lahat ang pagmamahal mo sa iyong asawa. Go! Once again, a round of applause for our newest couple.